students, welcome to the new academic session. I am your GSC teacher and I'm going to teach you the first lesson, that is adaptation in plants. By the name of this, I know that you all are clear with the terms plants. Now, maybe this is a new term for you, adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation means to make suitable for a new situation. Once again, I am repeating it. Adaptation means to make suitable for a new situation. Now, students, you all have seen plants around you. Almost there are different types of plants you see around you. Each and every plants have adaptation that help them to survive in a particular area. Adaptation are special features that allow a plant to live in a particular area or habitat. Once again, I am repeating, note down this definition. This is the definition of adaptation. Adaptations are special features that allow a plant to live in a particular place or habitat. Now, this adaptation might make a very difficult to live for a plant to survive in a different area. For example, I'm giving you the example of coconut tree. As you all know that coconut tree survives in where? Coastal areas. Yes, coconut trees can grow easily in coastal areas. But can it grow in a desert area? No. Why? Because desert area is a very dry area and it receives very little rainfall, whereas the coastal areas receives heaviest rainfall. That is why it is good for coconut tree to grow in a coastal areas. Clear? Now, I have told you about the habitat. I told in the definition that adaptation are special features that allow a plant to live in a particular areas or place or habitat. Now, on the basis of the habitat, the plants are classified into two parts. What are they? Terrestrial plants, and the second is aquatic plants. Okay, terrestrial, on the basis of the habitat, the plants are classified into two groups. They are terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Now, what is the meaning of terrestrial plants? Terrestrial means land. Okay, and what is the meaning of aquatic? That you all know, that is water. Now, I would like to tell you the definition of terrestrial. Terrestrial plants means those plants that can grow on land is called terrestrial plants. Okay, what are the features of terrestrial plants? The different features, that means the land have different features where the plants can grow, like mountains, plains, coast, marshes. Okay, these are the places, the land features where the plants can grow. That is, once again I am repeating, mountains, deserts, plains, coast and marshes. Okay, some area receives heavy rainfall, some area receives medium rainfall, and some receives very less rainfall. But this all plants, the different types of plants are adapted to different environment to survive. Okay. Now I will deal with the aquatic aquatic plants. What are aquatic plants? Yeah, you are right. Water. The plants which grow in water is called aquatic plants. Now, the terrestrial land. Once again, I am explaining about the terrestrial plants. There are different types of plants found in different areas. That are plants on hills. Plants on hills. Second one, plants on mountains. Third, plants on marshes. Plants in deserts. Plants grows in marshes. The last one, plants on coast. Okay, these are the plants which grows in the terrestrial areas, like the plants that can grow on hills, the plants that can grow on mountains. Third one is plants that can grow in deserts, plants that can grow in marshes, and the plants that can grow in coast. These are the different areas of terrestrial plant that can grow. Now, I will explain this in my next class. Before that, I will tell you about the aquatic plants. What are aquatic plants? On the basis of their habitat, the plants are classified into aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are also categorized under three categories, that are fixed plant. Second one is floating plant. And third one is underwater plant. Okay, so today I have told you about the adaptation in plants, its definitions, and on the basis of their habitat, the plants are classified into terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants are again classified into 5 groups. The plants that can grow on hills, the plants that can grow in desert, the plants that can grow in plains, the plants that can grow in coast, and the plant that can grow in marshy areas. And the second one is aquatic plants. Aquatic plants, they are the 3 types. What are they? They are the fixed plant, the floating plant, and the underwater plant. Now, dear students, today I am going to teach you only this much, and tomorrow I will explain the terrestrial plants, the different groups we have categorized, that I will explain, and I will explain this also in my next class. So here are some homeworks for you. Today's homework is, what is adaptation? My first question is, what is adaptation? My second question is, what are terrestrial plants? The third question is, classify the plants based on their habitat. So dear students, please note down in your book, make this homework completely in your book, and you can answer your homework in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.